Today we are going to talk about the problem that hits many of us. I'm talking about the struggle to save those hard-earned bucks while shopping online. It's relatable for all of us, right? Researching on internet for hours and hours, searching for deals, and congratulations, dude! Finally, you got the coupon, but what you found was expired. Oof, the frustration level, dude, it literally burns your mind. But what if I tell you, in the realms of darkness, there is a hope to break this never ending cycle of overspending? Introducing with you AskMeOffers.com, which is the ultimate solution of your each and every problem, where you get the exclusive and working coupons that slash your total bill. And literally, dude, your wallet is smiling in your pocket. Means seriously, here you get the deals and jaw-dropping discounts in the basis of every day. And just hold for a second, because here is the kicker. Ask Me Offer is not just a website, but it's a game changer in your shopping journey, because it offers you no more expired coupons, no more overspending, and at the end of the day, no more regret. So be ready, guys, to save big and shop smarter with AskMeOffers.com. This is Sujal and I am signing out.